motherfucker. Establish this motherfucker. Kita hold the gate. Establish that. Establish this guy inside. Establish this guy inside. Just hold southwest.
Use night armor. One more night armor, please. Night armor.
Establish them. Spread. OC protect. Northeast 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast. Become northeast. Delete the northeast. That's it. Come back southwest. Kill the guys inside us. Keep bird. Spread bird. Spread and bird. Spread and roll them. Get 8 seconds we can engage. 8 seconds we can engage. Inside us now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside us. Delete. Please. Delete. Demon. Keep roll. Almost dead. Keep heal sprint. Keep heal stabilize. Kill these guys inside. They're on the east side. Careful front. Get heals. Kiran, don't die. Get heals. Northeast ready. 8 seconds northeast. Keep roll them east side. East now 5. 4. In 3.
No.
On the clamp. Big down. East.
East.
Delete them. Damage. Kill them. Almost dead the guys. They're almost wiped.
Catch him decams.
I need decam.
And you see circle.
Get more piece on the northwest.
Just wipe circles east side. They're couples of circles inside. Just come southwest, bro. Kill the guys inside us. Kill these guys inside. I need guardian armor. Northeast now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the northeast. Become northeast. That's all fucking circles, man. Kill this. Wipe this.
Night armor. On the gate. Night armor. Careful.
There's still one guy infernal
You can get more
inside.
piece on the
There's still one guy infernal inside. Establish him. Almost dead. Nice one.
I need 2 guys in the gate. 2 guys in the gate.
Don't push if you don't have defensive. Come northwest. Come northwest.
G.
Chase them. Yeah, just establish the bedrock. North now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. North. Become north. Nice. Keep bird push.
Bitang trees.
Keep bird
Yes.
Keep bird push.
Kill their target, bro.
Keep bird. I need this front. Yo. Careful, Ditang. So go front. Come back. If you don't have heals, come back. Get this front. Yo, Dita. Come north, east.
Try to catch.
Full chase these motherfuckers. North now. Shallow only. On the top.
Guys, blow your surface.
3, 2, 1. Shallow on the top. Kill this. Now come northeast. They're fucking running northeast. Come northeast. Keep chase. Mount up. If you're too far, mount up. Come north.
Ditang saw them. Silence them. Slow.
Come north. Hold them. Mount up if you're too far. I need heals.
Mount up in the back. Brawlers, mount up. Go front.
Mount up, guys. Mount up. Come northwest now. Careful front. He's looking up for engage.
Yep.
Looking for engage. West now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West. Pick up west. Delete this. Defense front. Nice, G. Keep burn now. Keep burn east. Keep burn inside. Burn inside us.
Here comes.
Where's Basilisk? Basilisk on the west side.
East, near the gate.
On
He's on
ping.
near the
Yeah,
chariot.
we're gonna
On
chase the
ping, near the gate.
Basilisk.
Northeast.
Basilisk. Northeast?
On the gate.
Where?
He's zone.
No, he's mounted.
Zone. Dismounted?
He mounted pa rin.
Yo,
Oh.
come now, zone. We're gonna chase the Basilisk. Circus is here now. Zone. Read your fast, boys. Read your fast.
Nasaan?
Zone. Cliffs. Basilisk is here.
Full ping.
Basilisk is here.
Pumping.
Dito.
Guys.
Stun. I slowed him.
One ping. Keep coming.
Basilisk here. Agents, kaya mo yan, agents.
Zone na ako.
Faster. We're gonna chase the Basilisk. Southeast side now. Boys, zone fast. Zone fast. They're out now. We need to wipe them fast before they regear.
Terry
Zone
nila yung
nila,
drought ah.
zone yan, ha? Zone nila, may terrain.
Ah, they're going Terry.
Terry na Terry.
Wala, hindi tayo abot.
Yeah.
Come back. We should have brought the ballista. Zone. We declared already. Ina, sayang. 6 times sana. Come southwest.
I think, but time can go to flex lead, bro.